In every world built on dice and imagination, someone must shape the shadows and breathe life into the chaos. In Pathfinder 2E, that someone is the game master, the silent architect, the storyteller behind the storm, the puppet master, guiding heroes through a world too vast for any one mind alone. To be a game master is to hold creation in your hands. You craft continents, twist fate, and choose whether the party meets a friendly innkeeper or something that crawled from a forgotten tomb. Pathfinder gives you the tools to build anything gods. Empires, plagues, mysteries, but you decide how brightly these worlds burn and how far your heroes fall. Why become a game master? Because no other role lets you watch a story unfold the way you do. You see the players' triumphs before they do. You watch quiet decisions spiral into legendary moments. You build tension, release it, twist it back, and then let the table explode in laughter or panic. You're not just running a game. You're conducting an orchestra of chaos. Pathfinder 2E rewards game masters who love smart encounters. Its design gives you balance without removing danger, structure without killing creativity. When you prepare a battle, you're not trying to kill the players you're crafting the moment. They'll talk about for years that split-second dodge, that natural 20 that saves a kingdom, that critical failure that sends them tumbling into a cursed catacomb. You set the stage. They write the legend. As a GM, you don't control the heroes. You control the world around them. You give choices and watch what they do when things go horribly wrong. You adapt when they take a left turn into madness instead of the plot you wrote. You improvise when they befriend the monster meant to kill them. And every twist becomes another thread in your growing tapestry. The real magic? It's the connection at the table. When your players gasp, shout, or cheer, that's your work sparking across the room. You build the mysteries they unravel. You create the villains they stand against. You forge the worlds they swear to protect. You're not just a referee. You're the beating heart behind every moment of wonder. If you've ever felt the pull to create, if you've ever wanted to guide heroes into danger, if you've ever imagined worlds no rulebook has touched Pathfinder, theirs is waiting for you. Pick up the threads, shape your world. Become the puppet master your players will never forget, because every great story needs a villain, a mentor, a world builder, and a spark of madness. And when you sit behind the GM screen, you become all of them.